This package arrived today for best today ever. It's RV Lock and Company out of Westville, Utah. We are going to be putting RV locks, keypads, and a key fob. We're going to install that in the Nexus Super C. So stay tuned and watch how this is installed so you can do one too. Ready to go camping this weekend. We're going to Holland State Park, and we thought it would be convenient to have RV Lock keyless handles from RV Lock. This was shipped to us, and there's been a little bit of talk in the Nexus Super C community that they've not been able to install these without cutting their door, doing a little bit of grinding, and using a Dremel. So today we are going to install this. It says it's a 10-minute easy install. Comes with a wireless lock, and then you program it. We also got a key fob. So says it fits most motorhomes without doing any modifications. So let's get her installed right now. We want to be super honest with you. We haven't even opened the box. We're going to do this install without getting started. You're going to see everything that we go through until it's installed and works. What we have here is a 2019 Super C. It's a Nexus Wraith. It's on the International 4300 chassis. You can see our door here. Here's our lock. Everything works very well. So we're gonna start following the instructions and get it taken apart. So here we go. 10% off code. Instructions, key fob, two key fobs and 2 keys. Okay. This side seems to be caulked in, so I just wanted to show you. Okay, so now it just seems to be maneuvering it out without scratching the paint and getting the deadbolt from the door. So here's our old lock. Okay, so this must be what everyone's talking about. It does not fit the hole. So we're gonna have to grind it, and we'll show you that process. So this opening is too small to fit this in there. So I'm gonna go get my Dremel. So what's holding it back is right here. This is too big and it's rubbing on the body of the door.
So we got to take a little bit off right here.
Yep.
You can see where it's hitting. Yep. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut the door opening a little bit bigger, but I thought put a little bit of tape on there just to be cautious and protect the paint. I don't want to have the door fixed. So we drew a line there. It's just a guesstimation. We held the lock up there. To be able to get it in, you got to grind back here, and then it has to move forward. So I just lined it up with these 2 holes. And it looks like you don't have to do any on the bottom, but the top. So we're just going to grind a little bit away. fiberglass seemed to cut super easy with a Dremel. Let's see if we got enough. So you can see I got to go that way just a little bit more, even though the door lock has to go in to fit. It won't go in because I need to grind just a little bit more. Okay, so we're gonna try putting this in there. Okay. So if you look here, you can see it needs to go down a little bit. So I need to grind the opening down just a little bit. So it fits now. The opening allows it to go inside. But if you come on this side of the door, you can see these go in. It doesn't move forward enough. So the part that I ground out on the bottom has to be ground forward farther to allow this piece to move forward. Okay, so we got it to where it fits. We're just gonna remove this so it's not stuck underneath the new RV lock. And then you guys can see what you think. The paint was nice because it protected, or the tape was nice to protect the paint. Okay, so now you see how much you have to trim. Let's finish this install. Okay, can you hold that?
Sure.
Connect the battery wires from the front to the back. You will hear a confirmation beep. Alright, let me put the screws back in right here.
Okay, it's definitely gonna need paint touch-up because it doesn't fit exactly like it's supposed to. Well,
It's okay.
okay.
I'm not going to crank those down, I'm just going to snug them up.
Okay.
That way we can adjust it if we need to. And this top screw doesn't fit just like it didn't fit our other door.
Oh.
Here it is, we're gonna give it a try. Look out, Rigger. We made sure we unlocked the front doors. Hey, it works really nice. Not bad for our first
I was
try.
gonna try the deadbolt.
Okay, try the deadbolt. Yep, it's locked.
Works.
Good.
Perfect.
Yay! Okay, so the next step was to put all the screws in and tighten it up, and we did that. It says to use a screwdriver to install screws through the back plate, only tighten it a little bit. We've got everything working, we've adjusted the door. Key in the numeric code and press the lock button on the keypad. Default code is 1234. Your handle should now be functional and functioning correctly. If the handle does not function correctly, press the code reset button for 10 seconds, which is in here on your door. And you'll hear a long beep. This will reset it to 1234. So it says to hold down the 8 and the lock button and then let go of them both same time. Now we should be able to put in our own code. so I'm gonna program the key fob. The instructions say turn this switch on, put it on, then you take a pin, put in here. When you hear beeping, pull it back out, hit the lock button, then for confirmation push lock, unlock, and it works. So the key fob is programmed, and that's super easy to do. And then for programming your keypad, you push the 8 and the lock at the same time. You'll hear a long beep. Then you hit 1, 2, 3, 4 lock. Put in your PIN code 2 times while hitting lock, and it automatically locks it. Very successful install.
Overall, what do you think?
Overall, I like it. We're camping this weekend at Holland State Park. We're going to the Tulip Festival. We'll let you know what we think over the weekend and how convenient it is, especially having the key fobs. I think I'll touch this up and call her quits. So, update on the RV lock. We really like it. It was super convenient having 3 people in the motorhome. It was really easy with a code. We put one of the key fobs on our Jeep key ring, so when we leave we can unlock and lock the door really easy. And when we got back, if I was busy, somebody wanted to go inside, they just had to put the code in. We really liked that. One of the things that I think would be nicer would be where you pull the door shut. You can barely get your fingers in there, just the tips of your fingers. It'd be nice to be able to at least put it into your first knuckle so you can pull the door shut better. But overall, I'd give it a 5-star. It's a really nice product. It works really good. It's really easy